Hi guys, sabahan nyo kami ngayon sa aming first time MRT journey together papuntang Quezon City. So nakalimutan namin coding kami for today's video. So no choice, either mag-grab kami hanggang Quezon City or gumamit ng MRT, and it did not disappoint naman. In fairness, patay na oras tong pinagsakyan namin. So, maganda naman yung experience namin. Okay, mga tao, di masyadong siksikan. Okay yung facilities. And then, right after, we realized that there's Ramen Yushoken and Mindokoro sa Quezon City. Usually, pag mapunta kami ng Quezon City, we always go to Delgados kasi syempre malayo yan sa tirahan natin, and minsan lang kami nakakakain doon. Also a good place to eat, but nag-crave talaga si Joa for ramen. Kanina pa niya ako kinukulit, but we will either have to go to Makati or Alabang for that.